In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then you need to scroll down again, this time to click on Biometrics. Select Face Recognition and enter your current login method. Then hit Continue. Tap on Continue again and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Wait for 100% mark and keep your face in frame. Then manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So now when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!